High Court has today dismissed a PIL which was filed by Goa Foundation and one another petitioner by the name of Sagardeep Shirsekar regarding a resort construction was happening in 200 to 500 meters of the HTL of CRZ 3 category in Morjim. Their contention was that the permissions which were granted by the authorities were wrongly appraised on the basis that this is in CRZ 3 when actually the construction was happening in CRZ 1. It was their contention that the entire Morjim beach should be declared as a CRZ 1 area in terms of the CRZ notification. The High Court has today dismissed that contention and their reliefs for demolition of that resort which is coming up has been dismissed. At the same time, High Court has also directed the state of Goa and the GCZMA to prepare a turtle management plan for the beaches of Morjim and Mandrem on the lines of a provisional turtle management plan which exists for Galjibat beach. All these plans have to be prepared within a period of 3 months from today.
So this turtle management plant will be part of that CJMP or it is totally different?
No, turtle management plan is contemplated under the CRZ notification of 2011. So whatever plan is prepared now, it has to reflect in the CZMP.
मजगती हायकोर्टान मंगळारा दुसरे एके याचिकेचेर नेत्रावळी अभयारण्यातल्या मायनिंग वाठारात पुनर्वसणूक आनी वृक्षारोपणाचे प्लानाक बावटो दाखयलो. 2019 ते 2022 मजगती पुनर्वसणूक आनी वृक्षारोपणाची वन खात्यान दिल्ली 3 वर्सांची टायमलायन कोर्टान मानून घेतल्या. अभयारण्यातल्या मायनिंग वाठारात 3 वर्सां टप्प्याटप्प्यान प्लांटेशन जातले म्हूण राना खात्यान हायकोर्टाक उतर दिला. मातयेचो गुणधर्म लक्षात घेवन खाते स्वदेशी प्रजातीची झाडां लायतले. तशेंच मायनिंग पिट्सांतले उदकाचे साठ्या मेरेन रानवटी जिवांक सहज यो वच करूंक मेळचे अशे नजरेनूय प्लान करतले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.